Moving on to question 14. If Freedom makes a voyage to Guadeloupe in week 1 and a voyage to Jamaica in week 5, which one of the following must be true? All right, so we're looking at a situation where we have Guadeloupe in week 1 and Jamaica in week 5. All right, we don't have that in any of our previous work, so let's draw out a new hypothetical here. And it's telling us now that we have Guadeloupe in week 1 and Jamaica in week 5. All right, well, we know that if Jamaica appears, any week preceding Jamaica must be Guadeloupe. So that tells us week 4 must be Guadeloupe. Now, we need to have our Martinique block appear. And you notice, we can't have our two Martiniques go consecutively in 2 and 3 because of the 5th condition and the 3rd condition that says there must be at least one G in between them. So our only two possibilities are 2 and 6 or 3 and 6. So you notice in both of those scenarios, what is in common? Martinique must be in 6. Now again, we know Guadeloupe can't be in 2 or 3 because we can't have consecutive destinations to the same place. We also know now that because we can't have Guadeloupe in week 2, we can't have Jamaica in week 3. So the only possibilities for week 3 are Martinique and Trinidad. And again, for week 2, we could have Martinique, Trinidad, or Jamaica. So now, which of the following must be true? A, Freedom makes a voyage to Jamaica in week 2. Again, we just said that we could have Martinique, Trinidad, or Jamaica in week 2. So A is not necessarily true, so A would be eliminated. Again, one counterexample will disprove a must be true question. Okay, because if it must be true, it always must be the case. Okay. B, Freedom makes a voyage to Trinidad in week 2. Again, we don't know. It's possible that it's Jamaica. It's possible that it's Martinique. C, Freedom makes a voyage to Martinique in week 3. Again, possible, but doesn't have to be true. It could be Trinidad. So C is out. D, Freedom makes a voyage to Guadeloupe in week 6. That is not even possible. We know week 6 must be Martinique. And lo and behold, answer choice E, Freedom makes a voyage to Martinique in week 6. That must be true, as we concluded, because the only two possibilities for our Martinique block were 2-6 or 3-6. And again, 6 is in common in both of those scenarios. So E here must be true, and E would be the correct answer.